Ladies and gentlemen, before I read out our media statement proper, I want to make very clear at the outset, this morning's media conference is nothing to do with politics, but purely on what the Fiji Transport Public Service Associations, the individual associations, can offer to the citizens of this country on the 17th of September, Elections Day. With preparations underway for polling day on 17th September, general elections, the issue of available public vehicle services on the day has been a growing concern. In light of this, the Minister for Works, Transport and Public Utilities, Captain Timothy Natua, has directed that the Land Transport Authority consult with the public service vehicle stakeholders to ensure the provision of normal service to the public on 17th of September. This directive is issued pursuant to Section 8 and 10 of the Land Transport Authority Act 1998 with reference to the provision of normal service by public service vehicle providers categorized in Section 64 and 65 of the Act. Adhering to the directive through consultation process with public service vehicle stakeholders, this is to confirm that all service vehicle operations will be normal during Elections Day on 17 September 2014 to cater and facilitate people transportation needs to their respective polling stations around the country. All necessary technical and logistical arrangements has been made with the relevant authorities and other stakeholders like the Land Transport Authority, the Fiji Bus Operators Association, Fiji Minivan and Carrier Association, Fiji Minibus Association, and the Fiji Taxi Association to ensure normal operations is provided for on September, despite this being declared a public holiday. Government also expects a full turnout at all polling stations following arrangements to have a normal public service vehicle operation. Members of the public are encouraged to go out in large numbers and vote in their respective polling stations, since there will be sufficient public transportation means available during and after the elections. Buses, taxis, carriers, minibuses, and rural service license will be available and will operate normally, and the public have been urged to maximize their availability since it has been designed specifically for voting purposes. The Fiji Bus Operators Association, the Fiji Minivan and Carrier Association, the Fiji Minibus Association, and the Fiji Taxi Association have also reaffirmed and reassured their normal operation on 17 September 2014, Elections Day. Meanwhile, the Land Transport Authority will be activating a National Operations Center in the 3 divisions of the country from the 16th to the 17th of December in collaboration with the key PSP stakeholders to ensure that there is normal continuity and minimal disruptions to operations on the day.